Why is your portfolio up or down? Stock markets move for one simple reason, and here's the easiest way to understand it. Think of the stock market as an auction. Every day, buyers and sellers show up. If more buyers are competing, the prices get bid up. And when bad news hits, the buyers step back and sellers have to lower their prices to attract them again. But over time, markets follow earnings growth, not these day-to-day movements. Our personalized approach helps families stay focused and on track, providing peace of mind through all market conditions. Reach out to our professional team at Weatherill Wealth of RBC Dominion Securities to learn more.